you feel you need to sign anyone in January?
We're thinking about it. I'm honest, we're thinking about it. We are in that department, we have few players. And of course, to handle all competitions, we are in trouble, really trouble. But I can assure you anything. So we are thinking about it with the club. We check. You are going to see what happened in January.
Pep was interested just at the end of Sunday's game. You're
become injured. How difficult would it be for your team to win titles?
So you don't you want to get injured, huh? Sure, huh? Ah, okay. It's not your desire. It's not your desire. No, okay. I'm joking.
I'm an interested neutral.
No, okay. Listen, we're going to, of course, we're going to lose two important players, but we're going to find solutions. So, of course, they are so important players, and the season is long. But when it doesn't happen, so Gundo will be there ready. Bernardo will be ready. Phil Foden will be ready. Yaya will be ready. So we're going to find a solution to that. I think the approach is the same. So I talked to the players to forget about it until the 2 of January, 3 of January. After Watford game, all the games will be like we live in the last period. So forget about it to score 4, 5, and 6 goals. All the games, if we win, we'll be able in that result. Because I saw the results that we can, even the top players, except Tottenham the win, everybody suffers. So I can imagine going now to a Burnley game or Stoke game or this kind of games. So forget about it. But of course, we have to improve because the last game I have the feeling even 1-0, you have a one counter-attack to make it 2-0 and after 1-1. In the second half, we hit 3 or 4 counter-attack. We didn't finish for anything except one shoot for that. In our mentality, with our strikers, wingers have to be a little bit more aggressive in that. We have to improve in that because we have the challenge to close the game and always we are still open. And when that's happened, the opponents are so good, especially in advanced stages in the knockout competitions. We were clear in Mangala, we want to find a solution, but the moment we didn't find it, the first minute after I met him in my office, I said, now you are our player. You will be treated like the other one. So the reason why we want to look for another type of players, you know that. And of course, he has a quality that, for example, other central defenders we don't have. And of course, in some games, it's going to help us. So now it's part of ours. But we are maybe thinking, looking for another central defenders, but the problems with the Vincent, because with a lot of games, and now John Stones will be 4 or 5 weeks off, and the season nobody knows going to happen, and that's why in terms of injury, not just about Vincent, about Kevin or Silva, and everybody's concerned about that. Also with the central defenders, because we miss an important player like, for example, Mendy 6 months, and we have just Fabian Delph and Zinchenko, and that's why. We are thinking about what we have to do in the winter time.